Alright, this is our first look at a 2023 live valve 4-seater R4. So it looks just like the 2023 R, except it's got 2 extra seats in the center. But as we looked at earlier, all the suspension is pretty much the same. But these lower arms do have a lot of bracing on them. So I think that's why the part numbers are different. All this extra bracing compared to the 2-seater. Because obviously this thing's handling some extra weight. These top arms are different part number 2, and they look pretty similar. You have a brace right there, but this brace back here looks identical. Axles look a little bigger. As that front axle again is totally straight. People are complaining about the front tire clearance on these things already. But that grill pops out, that's really cool. This whole thing comes out to clean it. Love it. These front arms are also a different part number. Maybe this brace, oh, it's this brace down here. They added this. That's new to help with the weight carry capacity. Very interesting. Fucking mouthful of shit. Our teeth are just full of dirt from flapping and sliding. So thanks Eric for letting me drive your 2023 R4. That was really fun. A Talon on stock tires is one of the most fun things ever. This right here is a 2023 X4 live valve. So this one already has the forward arms on it to clear 33s, which you don't really need on the R4 if you get the right offset. Both of these machines seem to ride better with 4 people in them, especially the X. The X's are a little stiff if you only have 2 people in them, but once you load them down with 4 people, they are both Cadillacs, because that's the one thing that Talon's really missing is the long wheelbase. So I'm not a big long wheelbase fan myself, but if you need the 4 seats, it's great, or if you're going to do high-speed whoop stuff, they're also great, because that extra wheelbase just really helps level it out. That's why all the Can-Am Desert machines are so freaking long, even the 2-seaters, and like the KRX. I mean, you just need wheelbase to get a smooth ride over big whoops.